All, my name is Dishan Rashid, and currently I am at Veer Savarkar International Airport, which is at Sri Vijayapuram. I was born and brought up here only, and I saw this beautiful airport starting from construction, and now it has been turned out a very good place. Like it is like very convenient for us. Earlier it was like बहुत ही छोटा सा एयरपोर्ट था और अभी काफ़ी सारी फैसिलिटीज़ अपडेट हुई हैं एंड अभी रिसेंटली आई ऑल्सो हर्ड कि हमें जो है एयरपोर्ट को हमारे एयरपोर्ट जो ये सावरकर इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट है इट हैज गॉट एन अवार्ड दिस एयरपोर्ट का एंड आई वुड लाइक ऑल द ट्रैवलर्स टू विजिट आवर प्लेस. It is really a good place and also we have maximum loaded facilities here and the team and organization are doing good, well planned airport and well like humble staff, very good supportive. Thank you.